Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Big Money Fishing. We're out here at Choke Canyon again for the second time. So yeah, we're gonna try to see where we can hook up. It's a very foggy day and the drive out here was crazy, but here we are. So I don't know what part of this we're at, but man, there's no lifeguard here. Swim at your own risk, and there is alligators here, so we got to keep an eye out on those. So we got to see what's up. Check out this. So I'm gonna go set up at that picnic table right there, and we'll see what we can hook up into today. So I'll see y'all here in a minute. I just got to get all my stuff set up, and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna tie up my chicken liver today. How do I keep it on the hook? I'm gonna give it a try, and we'll see what's up. I'll see y'all here in a minute. Alright guys, I'm gonna start setting up the rod. I got so much stuff in my pocket. Alright guys, hopefully y'all can see this. I'm going to use this elastic band thing to tie on my chicken liver to the hook. So let's give that a try. This is my first time ever using this, but I've seen a lot of people use it, so let's give it a try. A lot of people recommended it. So let's put a little piece of chicken liver on there. Last time I was here, I was just kind of wrapping up the chicken liver, but I feel like I went through a lot of it, just because it kept flying off, the fish kept eating it. Elastic. It's an elastic string. They just said just wrap it around a few times on there. Just give it a grab. On there, let's give it a cast and see what happens. Supposedly I could cast a mile with it without it flying off. And we're fishing on a different spot than we were the last time, so I don't know how. Oh yeah, I was able to whip that thing out there. Yeah, I like that. It felt real tight on there. Man, it didn't feel like it was, it didn't look like it was gonna fly off or anything. So we got it going. Let me just tighten up my line here. Alright, we got that one set. Let me set up the other two and then I'll be right back. See y'all here in a bit. Oh yeah, I was gonna mention this stuff, like for 4 of these rows here, came out to like $7 on Amazon. So yeah, so you could just find different things and just look through Amazon and you'll find it. I forgot what it's called, but yeah, so check them out. Well, we'll see how they work for us here today and see if I recommend them or not. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. A lot of people were telling me, like, or asking me like, hey, how'd you keep your chicken livers there? I struggled the last time to keep them on. Like, I'll get a lot of hits and they'll just take the bait off. But hopefully this keeps them on and it ups my hookup big ones. The last time we were catching just a bunch of little catfish. They're about table size, but I want to catch me a big old PB catfish. So hopefully see what we could get into. So I'll see y'all here in a bit. I think we're getting a hit on this rod right here, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, it's getting hit. Let's see if it commits to it and takes it. Well, I'll come back once it decides to commit. So I'll be back. Alright guys, I think we're on now on this one. Let's check it out. Rod holder stop. Nope. It had a lot of bite. The other one's getting hit though. I think this one might be on. Doesn't even feel like any weight on it. Nope, no weight at all on it. Man, that's crazy. Hey, look, they ate the chicken liver though. I'm gonna cast out that little piece out there like that. They're getting hit everywhere, guys, but they're just not biting. They're not hooking up. Boy, this one's on. This one's definitely on. The little guy. Very little guy. Ooh. And they're out there in the grass. They're out there in some kind of grass. Check them out. Finally, first one. Still got the liver on there. Here's a real small guy. I guess that's what's been biting out there. It's just stealing all my bait. Get out of here, guy. Thank you. I'm gonna keep using this little piece. I'm just gonna dip it in blood. Hopefully we get into the big ones. Hopefully we could get into some big ones. Yeah. Finally, we got the skunk out the boat. Let's see if we could get another one. Ooh, we got one, guys. We got one. So let's try to get another. Let's try to get a few more. Let's see what happens. So let me rebait this one and we'll go from there. Yeah, this one feels good, guys. This one feels pretty decent, guys. Alright guys, I had to do a quick battery change, but this one's a little decent. It's bigger than what we've been catching all morning. Well, yeah, all morning because we only caught one. I was already packing up to move to the next spot. Alright guys, I gotta finish this on my phone because my GoPro died for some reason. Even though I had charge on it. But yeah, check out this cat right here. It's like the biggest one of the day. It's a nice size. Ooh, he's like the biggest ones I've caught out here since I've been out here the other day. Yeah, he's there croaking. Yeah, let's get him unhooked. He's scared, he's shivering, poor little guy. Oh, he's a bleeder. Alright, let's let him go. There he is. Let's let him go. took off. He's on. Whew. What a catch. What a catch. Like the biggest one so far. Chicken liver still on there. Piece of chicken liver still on. Whew. Alright guys. Man, that was a good one right there. Yes sir. I gotta figure out what's going on with my GoPro, so I'll be back. Finally, got another. Finally, this one was way out there. Alright here, about to get let go. Check him out. Nice little guy. He looks like the one I let go the last time. Try to get another one. That elastic, this elastic stuff, it's pretty good to keep the fish on. I don't know if it's, if it's messing up my hookup ratio. I get a lot of bites, but I get a hookup. I don't know. So I got one out there without it. You can see if it works. Let me bring this back up and get it out there. They get bigger, so I'll see y'all here in a bit. Pretty good out here. We've been getting a nice little bite. I think we caught like about 5, maybe 6. I'm not sure, lost count. But not too bad of a day. Especially, I wasn't expecting to be out here this long because of the wind. So I'm just gonna give these last baits a couple more minutes since I just re-rigged them. See, yeah. So I'm gonna gonna get out of here at 2 o'clock. It's 1:38. So we'll see what we get from now to then. And I'll see y'all here in a bit. We got these 3 rods still soaking. And that one's still not doing nothing. I don't even know if it still has bait. But those 2 I know for sure because I just re-rigged them. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe this is just a sleeper. Alright guys, that's a wrap for today. Man, we did pretty good, not bad. We were able to beat these high winds. These high winds were starting to kick in, so it was making it difficult to cast and hold my line out there. But yeah, it was nice out there. Check out this beautiful view. Man, it doesn't get no better than that, man. Just out here enjoying this nature, man. Just gotta love it. Y'all get out here, man. Fish on. Fish as much as y'all can, guys. I'll see y'all on the next one.